Hello guys, this is Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, purchased in 60 days ago. The phone, I especially bought this case to show how the good condition. Okay, I'm not professional about this kind of things, sorry. Okay, let me fix. What is the issue here? Why I am showing this video and more details. This is foil. We can remove it, but let's let it now. As you see, phone in very good condition. Just some dirtiness here. 2 days ago. Look at how the inside. On the middle doesn't have any external damage, but display totally gone. And look here how it's playing. This one nearly 2,000 euro. Let's show you about the device. Texan 10 Pro Fold, and look at how it's the inside. I'm just making also some pictures in close image. Before we make, let's remove this. You can see phone is in a very good condition, no physical damage or another things, or water issues or something. And look at the inside.